Hi, this is Bipin. I'm going to do a marketing analysis about this brand called Femisafe, and this brand deal with women safety and women grooming. So let's dive into that. So this is the brand website, Femisafe. To be honest, this is looking insane. Honestly, a website, color, theme, everything looks so perfect. I don't know why, but it looks so perfect for this brand. It gives the touch of premium. I don't say premium. I won't say premium, but has everything that's need to be in a website. So yeah, let's dive into the marketing analysis. So yeah, marketing analysis for Finisay. Business type or the business model. It's the woman grooming and safety business. What is their business objective? Getting awareness about their product and promoting female safety and creating a brand awareness on top of that and get more safe, that ultimate aim. But they're also focusing more on get awareness of their product and creating awareness about women safety. That's the main thing. Their goals, if I say, whom they are talking to, women around 16 to 15 having their periods and menstruation cycle, and students, teenage girls, working professional who goes to job on a daily basis, woman, sorry, my bad, housewives, moms, sports player. I just random target audience I just put into that, make sure that everything goes right. So never mind about that. And where are they now? So they're literally scrolling on their Instagram feed, unlimited scroll through Instagram, and the brand level awareness will be 3. Don't ask me what is 3 level of awareness. I don't say what that is. And what's their dream state? Needs to move flawlessly, even when on period. That's their dream state. Every woman can, who even every woman who needs in their period time, they need to move flawlessly like normal, and leak and rashless cups and pads. That's the ultimate goal. There are so many women are insecure about leaking their pads and menstrual cups, so it makes them insecure, and it doesn't feel like secure and safe. And a lot of women having rashes around their pubic region, so that's also concerns when it comes to um, cups and pads. Of course, that matters. And she wants to forget what she's wearing. That's an ultimate thing. Yeah, they need to feel that it's a normal day. She wants to feel like more normal, feel like normal even in period. That's their ultimate goal. So if we can create product around that, if we have product around, so we just need to market that around that specific product. That's their dream state. And what's the current state? Using some random product for the period stuff and not getting she wants. She is not comfortable with the product. She's having rashes. She's having it's like leaks in their pads, and she's often switching brands and she's not getting what she want. That's her main current state and feeling. And the main state in the and she has and fearing of using cups. That's the main thing that most of the women are facing now, because they feel like it's not safe in cups. But if it's something related to women's health, I don't know why. So what are the major roadblocks and solution? Roadblock number one: she's confused about what brand to choose, because she's already tried so many brands, so many of them, and she's not getting what she want, and she is also having fears of using cups. That's the main roadblock around the women's, because it doesn't feel safe when it comes to cups. They feel like that way, but it is not like that way. But they're making things in mind. So what is the solution? Create awareness around the topic of menstrual cup and promote them. Build start need to start building trust while doing testimonial things and all. That will do the work. And we need to show credibility on Femisafe. So show how we are changing women's safety industry. And level of desire high. She is actively seeking a good product that make comfortable her and that fits very well for her. That's the so high intent product. So we having a high intent or high desire product. And what the cost? High. She is going to purchase at the moment that she feel like this is trust. This has built trust over the period of time and it feel like safe. She will take her card and give it to you to buy this stuff, buy your product. If that's the cost around here, certainty 9, trust 9 out of 10. So that's all. What do I want them to stop scrolling, pay attention to ad or content we are releasing or publishing on our social media as well as Facebook ads, and get interested in our product, shop the product or be in the funnel by following us. This is the main metric that we are want them to do. And next one, what do they need to see or feel or experience in order to take action? I want them to, based on what they are starting. We need to build trust and need to catch attention because they will be scrolling and doom scrolling around social media. So we need to get attention, need to have a catchy arts, catchy copy, strong CTA. I would never go with it's fine with shop now, buy now, but having a strong CTA for like say get your periods. I don't know, but strong CTA must work. Build awareness of the product, how it feels them comfortable. That's the main thing. Feel them comfortable. We need to focus on them. We need to build more content on top of that, making how our product is making feel them comfortable. And our brand was obviously Femisafe. We already talked about in earlier. What are them? What is their marketing channel? I mean, so I'm doing this research. So what are our marketing channel? Instagram, Facebook, content creation, meta ads, seminar, SEO, as well as we can go for Google ads. So what I'll be fixing, what I'll be doing to fix the issues and my analysis. So I have went over the ads library and sorry for that. I see that 45 ads are running and with the same copy. You can see that same copy. I don't know why, maybe it's working for them, but I recommend to test new copy in ads because it's the thing that we need to do. Running 45 ads with the same copy, not everyone. It's okay. They might be testing different region audience with the same copy, but having some good copies and trying new copies is the best thing they can do right now. So I have here are some copy that I have crafted for them. It's not that, but it's works well. For example, first one, tired of changing your menstrual cup often? We are asking question here. Are you tired of changing your menstrual cup often? She's like, yeah, yes. Then switch to Femisafe menstrual. I don't know why cup. And she'll be like, what? Why should I? It's reusable up to 5 to 10 years. Catch your it's easy and it doesn't have anything. There is nothing. It's simple and it works, guys, to be honest. And if you're someone who is struggling from an uncomfortable period times, switch to Femisafe. Are you someone who is struggling with an uncomfortable period? Are you uncomfortable when you are having your period? Yes, I am. Then switch to the. Why should I? It's leak free, rash free, mess free. I have copied this thing from here, so but it makes sense. It's simple, but it's effective. You can ask question. Period problems not anymore. Are you having period problem? We are asking directly. We are shooting in the face. Are you having period problem? Yes, then not anymore. Join 13,000 plus women who said goodbye to period wars. Femisafe has changed their life. Could it change yours? Just building their trust, getting their trust by adding testimonial here. Join 13,000 women who said goodbye. we're creating a trust and building the trust. Femisafe has changed their life. Okay, it has changed their. Could it change yours? I might feel comfortable and confident all day long. Try. It's building the trust, guys. Feel you can feel that. Feel amazing every day. Wow, fantastic. Period should. I'm not kidding, guys. Period shouldn't hold you back. No, same except no more feel, no more worries. Feel trust, blah blah blah. And yeah, that's it. And feel confident and comfortable day long. So I have visited their website. Their website is pretty good, but pretty top. If I say everything is good for my except this product description. Their product description are not very well or aligned. I don't want to read this because this is not organized. Blah 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 blah. It should be if it is in bullet point. I must read or the customer must be reading. I don't know what durability of. You can do a bullet points like durability 10 years, reusable 10 years, little blah blah blah. It doesn't matter. Yeah, that's all for now.